Hello, friend. I have brought a special product for you. Product name, email it review. Product description. I have discussed the important points that come inside this product below. Send transactional and marketing emails easily with built-in campaigns, SMTP, and RAST API. 83% off, $49. Lifetime access, refundable up to 60 days. Your critical emails aren't landing in inboxes and complex platforms slow you down. Email It lets you send transactional and marketing emails quickly and reliably via SMTP or API. Send transactional and marketing emails with built-in campaigns and audiences, or integrate using SMTP or API. Verify your email list to ensure the best delivery rates. Alternative to SendGrid. Integrations. REST API. Best for developers, e-commerce, marketers. Send transactional and marketing emails using built-in campaigns and audiences, SMTP and API. Start sending in minutes. Create and send newsletters using the built-in campaigns wizard and audience tools. Integrate with your favorite apps using SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or the Email It REST API. Add and verify your domains. Add, set up, and verify your sending domains using DKIM, SPF, MX, and DMARC DNS records. Input any sending domain you own to customize your from address and keep branding consistent across campaigns. Enable or disable tracking for your domain, giving you control over open and click analytics based on your goals. Easily verify your DNS records with real-time status checks. Track performance and manage bounces. View your email history and manage bounces and hard fails in the Suppressions tab. See a list of sent emails and their statuses, like delivery confirmations, failures, and bounce details. Preview the full content of sent emails, including subject and recipient information. Set up webhooks to track deliveries, opens, clicks, and more automatically. Verify emails in bulk. Reduce bounces, protect your sender reputation, and improve deliverability. Manually verify single email addresses to quickly confirm if a contact is valid and safe to send to. Verify lists by uploading a CSV or Excel file and get a report that flags invalid, disposable, or risky addresses so you can clean in bulk. Reviews. Icondino. A game changer for email management. Using Email It completely transformed how I handle email communications. The ease of sending both transactional and marketing emails is impressive, and the